Hi friends, let's look at some visual differences between when you're supposed to use variant properties versus component properties. The big difference is if there is a change in layout or size or state or style, for example, then that's going to fall in the bucket of it needs to be a variant. Right here we can see in the content shell, I have a mobile version, I have a desktop version, so those are going to be inside of variants. If we look at a button, the button can have Boolean operation, the text operation, the icon can have the Boolean and the instance swap, and I have all my component props right there. I do have different buttons for different styles, the hover state, and things like that. So if you're thinking responsive design and you're thinking different states, then that's going to be variants. Anything else, turning things on and off, changing the text, swapping out the instances, those are going to be your component props. Thank you for watching. I hope that sheds a little light on when you should use component props and when you should use variants. If you liked the video or feel like it helped you out, please hit that like button and share this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in a comment below. To be notified of all my content, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Have a good one. Bye friends.